Hey guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to send money from Safepal to Binance. So first of all, we need to get the crypto wallet address from Binance. So we need to open the Binance. Then you need to click Assets in the bottom right menu and select Add Funds. Then select On-Chain Deposit. And right here, we need to find the cryptocurrency we need to withdraw from Safepal. So for example, we are sending BTC Bitcoin from Safepal. So that means we need to choose BTC right here. And then we need to choose the network. So let's choose the Bitcoin network. And let's copy the wallet address. Now we need to go to the Safepal. And we need to select Bitcoin. Then select Send. Then we need to paste the wallet address right here. We just copy it from Binance. Then we need to select the amount of Bitcoin. Then click the next button right here. At the moment, I don't have enough balance. So when you click the next button, it will ask you to finalize the transaction. So you need to finalize your transaction and you will send your Bitcoin from Safepal to your Binance account.